Hey, my name is Aditya, and today I'll be talking about the embedded devices CS thread as part of my Innovate ECE project. So the sections we'll be going over today are first embedded devices and why they're everywhere, and then we'll talk about beyond the screen and how why I'm interested in embedded devices, and then we'll go over the real world application, and then we'll talk about how the software meets the physical world, which is what makes up the whole concept of embedded systems, and then we'll talk about how we can use embedded devices slash systems to extend human capability. So embedded devices are everywhere. Your phone, your car, your headphones, they all have tiny computers inside them making decisions in real time based on the physical world. That's what embedded systems are. Hardware and software working together to sense, process, and respond. What drew me to this field isn't just the technical side, it's the idea of building things people can physically interact with. Anyone can write code that shows up on a screen, but embedded systems let you build something that reaches out and touches the real world, something you can hold, wear, or even move in. That gap between digital and physical is where I want to work. The real world applications of this go way beyond gaming. The same sensor fusion techniques used in projects like mine are in prosthetic limbs, surgical robots, and aerospace systems. Gesture detection is the foundation of sign language recognition. The accessibility problem I was trying to solve is the same class of problem as giving someone without a voice a way to communicate, or giving someone without sight a way to navigate. What excites me most about embedded devices as a field is that it's where software meets the physical world. You can write an app, but an embedded system reaches out and touches reality. It reads the temperature, it moves a motor, it detects a flick of your wrist and turns that into a dodge roll in a video game. The feedback loop between the physical and digital is instant, and that's what makes it feel alive. Embedded systems are how we can extend human capability in the future. Brain-computer interfaces already let paralyzed patients move robotic arms with their thoughts. Exoskeletons give mobility back to people who lost it. Cochlear implants restore hearing through direct neural stimulation. These aren't science fiction anymore, they're embedded systems. Sensors, microcontrollers, and firmware closing the gap between human biology and technology. That's the kind of field I want to be a part of, and that's why I chose this thread for my project. Thanks for listening.